uMadlomo find out Tile. She knows now that uNhloso is sleeping with Dintle. She found out through a phone call. She phoned uNhloso and the phone got accidentally picked up and she heard uNhloso saying to Dintle they must go and shower. During his lunchtime, when he's supposed to be at work, uNhloso was at Dintle's house. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So uMadlomo went to umalume ubabamncane Ephraim to talk to him ukuthi akhulume noNhloso so that they can go to the prophet and sort out their issues because uNhloso akafuni. Umalume said he's going to speak to him. uMadlomo sort of mentioned ukuthi please don't keep him until late azabe endlini ebusuku. Umalume was a bit confused but tried to cover it up so uMadlomo does not see it. uMadlomo then realizes uNhloso is not at work. Kuthiwa uhambile is out for lunch. And then uMadlomo tries phoning uNhloso to find out how ukuphi. And then the phone gets picked up but by mistake, and uMadlomo hears them talking ukuthi they're going to shower. Udintle realized the phone was picked up and uMadlomo is on the other side. Waphendula ngabomu wathi I'm coming, such just so uMadlomo can hear ukuthi unoNhloso. And uMadlomo had picked up Nhloso's t-shirt, wayismela, and found that inuka exactly the perfume that Dintle was spraying herself with when she went to see her inside a boutique. So uMadlomo now knows ukuthi Dintle and Nhloso are having an affair. And then uMthunzi no Semiday wants to meet uDambisa to thank her for raising uMthunzi. But uMthunzi is busy making excuses so that uSemiday does not meet him, saying uDambisa is blind. uDambisa is actually mad ukuthi uappointed noma wakhe, so uDambisa is not willing to meet him. But uSemiday is persistent and won't stop. So Mthunzi ends up saying, okay, fine, I'll try and convince her. uSemiday, if she does not come here, I'm going to go over there. So now, Kiriboni is into deep gambling. She's broke now. She can't even pay Potsotso for the tickets that Potsotso got for her for 500 rand so that Ephraim can go and watch the soccer. Now she keeps on dodging Potsotso because she does not have the money to pay him back. Bridget, on the other hand, poked Mthunzi. Now Mthunzi is making her suffer. Uvele wavala ama-taps amanzi for the salon so that Bridget cannot work. She tried to speak to him, but then she said it's going to take around 2 hours to get it sorted. So Tlhoge is trying to warn Bridget, because please stop poking this guy. He's dangerous. Leave him alone. But Bridget doesn't want to back down. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.